If people keep paying these prices, they'll keep going up.
So you don't buy this LBMA shortage in the shipments?
I don't buy any of it. This is how they determine what the market is. ETFs, like GLD, you don't even own that piece of paper.
I'm 24 years old. This will be my first silver purchase.
Ooh. Nice.
Refiners won't buy it. The wholesalers won't buy it.
Will you buy it?
Get your Yankee Silver Rounds featuring coin dealer Tim exclusively online at SD Bullion. Orders over $199 qualify for free shipping. Grab yours today while supplies last.
So are you selling the gold?
I'm selling the gold.
Why?
Because I want to get into silver. This is all new to me, brand new. I'm 24 years old. This will be my first silver purchase.
That's awesome. I wish I had done that when I was 24. Yep. Have you ever done any crypto?
No. I've looked into it briefly, but not.
Doesn't interest you?
Not really, no. I like physical. I think silver is more valuable metal.
Have you been watching what's going on with silver?
Oh, yes.
And it's from Tim.
It's from Tim. So you excited to get into silver?
I'm very excited to get into silver, yep. Yeah? Very excited.
You can say that I bought my first silver purchase from Tim.
I think we have to.
And you'll have it
We
forever.
have to.
All right. Tim thinks that the silver spot might do a little correction, Tim. 20%? 10%? Where are we at now, Tim? What's your guess now? Because you were completely wrong up till this point.
Yeah, that's right. Well, if I were talking about anything other than a paper market, I would say we're probably $10 high on silver and at least $1,000 high on gold.
Wow. Okay. If it was no futures markets, no spoofing, no rehypothecation, none of
just
stuff.
the way it used to be, where the price of silver and gold depended on supply and demand and transactions between parties. Okay.
Yep.
That's what it used to be.
Do you think that we had somebody in here thinking that the LBMA is going to go belly up, collapse, and that Shanghai and the COMEX would be the ones ruling the markets?
And nobody will care.
Well, when does it get back to the legit price for spot?
During the Clinton administration, they closed out Glass-Steagall. And that was supposed to separate investment banking from commercial banking forever. Once those lines were erased, and the sky was the limit. My feelings don't count, your feelings don't count. It's all hedge funds and futures contracts, period. It's all paper. Those people are the ones who are saying, hey, gold could go to $10,000 and $15,000 an ounce. Yeah, and they'll make it. Yeah, but boy, if they short it, they're going to make a lot of money.
And you're going to be right. And we'll have to do Tim was right video.
The real price of gold should not be over the 200-day moving average, and it's so far above that now, it's never going back. The regulatory agencies aren't doing any regulating, and to ever get back to reason, back to supply and demand and that sort of thing.
Yeah.
That ship may have sailed. What's to stop it? What's to stop it? They have unlimited amounts of money, client investments that they have to play with.
Well,
it's more money than this country's debt.
But if it goes ballistic, who's going to buy this stuff? What dealer is going to be able to do it? The refiners aren't going to buy it?
No, the refiners won't buy it. The wholesalers won't buy it.
Will you buy it?
Yeah, but at a much reduced price. I'm already working out the factors based on everybody I know who is buying and what they're paying. I mean, even this stuff does not depend on the published price on the COMEX, because the COMEX price is a joke.
So how are you pricing something like this? A gold?
Same way that my wholesaler prices it.
Okay.
No. And when they won't buy anything else, then I'll have to lower my prices even more.
You did say when they get it over 50, you might have to close your doors. Are you closing your doors, or are you going to keep open?
No, but I'm not paying 53 or 54 dollars for an ounce of silver either, because that's not realistic. I mean, the refineries are key, because everything I got in that back room is eventually going to a refinery.
Eventually.
Eventually.
All right.
Either that, or I'm going to have to go see Silver Dave and say, how would you like to be a refinery? It's about $3,800. Okay. And what were you looking for? Since we're running out of things.
Yeah. I want to see what it was worth. Specifically, because I don't know anything. So.
It's probably worth more than that if you use the market price.
Right, but obviously you're
But
not
I
paying that.
gotta use the wholesaler's price.
Right. You have to, yeah.
Boy, that changed. Years ago, that was not the case.
No, but I may want to get some buffaloes someday. Where am I going to get them from?
Yeah.
Am I gonna-
What's up with that, Tim? Is the U.S. Mint completely messed up?
What was it, 2022, when the price of a silver eagle went to $45 and when it should have been $30?
Yeah.
And in Canada, they couldn't meet demand. And the U.S. Mint couldn't meet demand. So I'm talking to the wholesaler. I said, I got Maple Leafs and I got American Eagles monster boxes on order. What's going on? He said, well, we'll be able to ship the ones from Canada pretty soon. I said, what did they do? What exactly was going on? Well, they didn't have the capacity to meet demand, so they added more equipment and hired more people and then opened up another wing of the Mint or whatever. And he said, now they're able to handle demand. I said, oh, what's the U.S. Mint doing? They raised the price to kill demand. See?
Yeah.
That's the people that SD Bullion is now associated with. So I said, pick your friends carefully. And I'm not going to make any political statements about this, but
No?
we've seen the U.S. Mint do this before.
Yeah. The question was, do you think he asked if he should hold on to the gold?
I don't know. Am I the only contrary opinion in this whole mess?
You are one of the few. I'll be honest with you. I can think of all the big names. I won't mention them on here. They're all saying this is it. This is it. It's all breaking down. Silver is going to go through the moon. This is just the beginning of the gold bull market, Tim.
If people keep paying these prices, they'll keep going up. Okay? When people put their foot down and say, I'm not paying that.
But that could be a long time, Tim.
It shouldn't be a long time.
It could be.
If they don't short gold pretty soon, they're going to destroy the whole market. Not
It
just,
could be destroyed. It really could.
It is. It's being destroyed. Yes.
All right. So he didn't answer your question.
You want to wait for the big short, because then it may go down to less than 3,800.
I know. That's the thing. It's a gamble. I think I'm a hold for today. I got some thinking to do.
Hold the gold.
When I change my mind or come back to buy silver, or else.
Well, if we ever get to the point where we're actually paying the spot price,
Right.
just check with me from time to time.
Right.
I don't think it's going to happen.
You don't think?
No, because it's not happening with my wholesaler.
Wait a minute. Well, hold on. You're going to walk out of here without any silver?
Today, yes. But
No, you're not. No. Yeah, I couldn't let that young man walk out of there disappointed. So stick around for that after Tim gets off the phone. But I got to address the drop in spot price that happened on Friday, the day after this was recorded. A market pullback is technically a decline of 5 to 10%. A market correction is a decline of 10 to 20%. So what we saw on Friday for silver was just short of a pullback, one that both Tim and I, and maybe you too, have been expecting after this unprecedented run-up in precious metals. Tim thinks there's more coming in the short term, and he's going to explain his rationale soon. But seriously, guys, no one knows for sure what's going to happen. In my opinion,
Friday's drop was a great chance to buy more physical silver and gold, especially for you stackers out there who are just coming into the fold like this young man. And it's also a great opportunity to get into some mining stocks. Okay, guys, I have personally made a killing over the past few months on my gold and silver mining stock holdings. They've erupted up over 70% in the past few months. And if you follow my channel, like this guy evidently does, you know I've been a strong advocate for a while about the mining sector. I was telling you about it when practically no one on Wall Street was giving a rip about mining. And yes, I know this isn't stacking. You should definitely be stacking physical silver and gold first and foremost. But with this kind of market that we're in, guys, if you do your own due diligence, make wise decisions like this guy did, there's massive upside potential. Now, I'm only putting around 3% of my overall wealth portfolio into commodity stocks, and it's only with what I can afford to lose because it is speculative, but I'm quite confident that we haven't even begun to see what's coming in the mining sector. And so here's one that I am super excited about. Today's sponsor, Dolly Varden Silver. I first told you about them back in January of 2023 in a video where I interviewed their CEO, Sean Kunkun. He told a compelling story about Dolly Varden. So did I put them on my watch list? Yep. Did I buy any shares? Nope. And yes, over the past 6 months, they're up 57%. Told you I'm no Nostradamus, but I am grabbing some shares after this video drops. Not just because their share price is going up. No, there's much more to it than that. Their flagship asset, the Kitsault Valley Project, is located in British Columbia's Golden Triangle. I couldn't be more bullish about this region, guys. It's one of the world's premier mining districts. In the past 3 decades, over 1.2 billion ounces of silver have been discovered there, and that's not including the 150 million ounces of gold. Dolly Varden has 5 past-producing mines in this region, mines they own outright, 100%. And that includes the richest silver mine in all of the British Empire. You want in on a pure play silver mine? This project is high-grade pure silver and in a fantastic jurisdiction. Majors, the big mining companies, they're desperately trying to get into this area. And Dolly Varden couldn't be positioned more perfectly. Their entire company owns an estimated 34.7 million ounces of silver resource equivalent in the indicated category and an additional 29.2 million ounces of silver equivalent in the inferred category. They've drilled, and the drilling results are pending. And their finances are very good. They will have over $50 million in the bank once financing closes. Plenty of money to discover something big. Major institutional investors are loading up on this stock, including Hecla Mining, Fury Gold Mines, and Fidelity. Rick Rule, Eric Sprott, you should know those names, legendary billionaires, both own shares of Dolly. And soon, I'm going to be joining them. Now, again, don't buy a single share just because I am, okay? You do you. But if you're interested in getting into the mining sector or expanding your holdings, I think it'd be nuts not to check out Dolly Varden Silver because of their continued growth potential, great leadership, smart investors, and incredible silver assets. Their ticker symbol is right on the screen. It's DVS, and they're on the New York Stock Exchange. That's going to be super convenient for whatever trading platform you use. And finally, you should check out the links to their website and the corporate presentation in the description below. All right, let's get back to Tim and this young man at the coin and stamp shop.
Hey, I don't want him to go out without silver. So
His choice. His
no.
goal.
I'm gonna buy you one of these. No, I'm gonna give this guy one of the Yankee Tim rounds on me. Go ahead, pick one out. No, pick one. I'm serious.
Right.
Grab here.
You don't have to do that.
I know I don't have
like
to.
free handouts.
Call it inspiration. Hey, listen.
The greatest
I-
show on earth.
I think you're doing the right thing when it comes to your gold. Keep your gold, keep your silver. Don't sell it. Hold on to it for years and years and years. And I want that to be your first silver, man.
Well, I'll keep that forever.
Good. Do it.
Awesome.
I think I'm good for it, Tim.
Yeah, maybe.
Thank you so much.
He is a little
it.
crazy, though.
Hey!
He will. When you're out the door, he'll forget all about this.
No.
No, I believe it. Thank you guys for your
Thanks a lot. Grab a sticker on your way out.
Thank you.
Thank you for your
Grab
time.
one of those stickers to remember this.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Thanks, buddy. Take care.
Appreciate it, guys.
I'm like, oh,
So what
I had
is-
to buy a car.
You what?
I had to buy a car.
She's from New England.
Yeah,
A car?
yeah, Massachusetts.
My sympathies.
And I'm going through a kitchen remodel.
Listen, you lived there once, didn't you?
I did, 31 years ago? I consider myself a New Hampshireite now.
Last year, I tried to give my son a tube, and my grandson, my son wouldn't even take it from me. He says, no. And I'm like, take it, you need it. I can't convince him. And he's like 38. My daughter's 40-something.
They don't see it.
And they don't see it. And I'm trying to put it in the hands. He wouldn't even touch it. I'm like, are you nuts? They won't listen to Mom. I put everything in there. I have low balances.
You're all in.
I am. I'm totally all in.
Hubby, do you agree with what she's doing? Are you doing the same?
100% agree with her. Absolutely.
What do you think of these all-time record highs in gold and these incredible spikes in silver?
It's incredible.
Right?
I like to see it keep going.
Do
But
you think it will?
I
He
don't know.
thinks it's going to sort of move, and I sometimes have to calm him down and say, it's going back down. Tim says it's going to drop down. I said, so we got to be prepared both ways. I said, stop watching it every day, because he'll call me from work.
That's not
It's up $100 today.
that's not a bad thing to tell someone. Don't watch it all the time. It'll drive you nuts.
I know.
If they do have a big short, inflation is going to take it all right back there eventually.
You said if. If, not when.
Honestly,
Are you beginning to doubt the Big Short?
I don't think they're. Well, look, we've discussed this before. I mean, how much are the Chinese paying for their gold?
Yeah, I know you. That is an argument. I hear you. Is this ever going to stop though? This incredible climb in gold and silver.
It has to.
Yeah, it's something we've never seen before. Certainly at this rate. But you look at the graph, and down here you have the 200-day moving average, and here you got gold. And it makes no sense.
Oh man, you're getting rid of real money for fake currency.
Going right to the car place.
Okay, right to the car, right?
I just hope my bank doesn't bother me to put it in. Gonna go up higher. I'd stick with the
Oh
gold.
man, more calls.
Going to snapshot. Silver is right now being quoted at 54.22, which makes the just flat out bullion bars around at 56.25 or something like that. Well, the market's going up, so you would think that the wholesalers would be making more money, so they drop the premiums. Not happening. The premiums are way up. Silver Eagles are 2025s are $8 over, and the back dates are $7 over.
That's ridiculous. It should be coming down.
Well, thank you. Bye-bye.
I could have sworn in a prior video you said when silver gets to 50, the premiums just shrink. We're seeing the opposite now, aren't we?
What happened? It's been at 50 twice.
Yeah.
And what happened was it dropped right after that, and it took a while for. Well, in 1980, it probably took a month for it to be back around 4 or 5 from 50. And in 2011, it was there in May. It probably went to end of June, or early July before it went back to, to whatever the low price was.
So we need to see this pull back to see the premiums come back to reality?
That's one thing that is supply and demand. The premiums dependent on what they can make, whether they're able to keep up with the market.
Yep.
Especially with the U.S. Mint.
And they're going way up, especially with the Eagles, right?
The premiums have gone way up, yeah. The Eagles not as bad as the Buffaloes. Buffaloes are crazy.
That means demand, though, right? We've got a high demand for that.
Well, there's always been demand for Buffaloes. It's just that they haven't been making enough for demand.
So there is a supply issue with those.
I would say there's a supply issue. Yeah.
Yeah. I seem to remember an earlier video where you said a couple things around that $50 an ounce silver. I think one of them was, when that happens, Yankee, everybody will be coming in to sell and nobody will be buying. Are we seeing more of a uniqueness here with this $50 milestone, this 53? Are people still buying?
I've been saying the same thing. Gold is dragging silver around.
Right, right.
And
but buyers, Tim, they're buying.
The history of silver is it hits $50 an ounce and the bottom drops out of it shortly after that.
That's the history, right?
And I think both things are still in effect. What is different is gold has never been in the control of so few hands. Let me just put it that way. Gold is in the control of a few people.
So back in 1980, when silver hit its all-time record highs,
there were no hedge funds.
It wasn't the same game in town.
No, it wasn't at all. In fact, the '87 crash was not, the powers that were bringing the market down. It was individuals who were getting spooked.
So how about 2011? I mean, is there a similarity there for us?
No, there really isn't. It's never, silver has never been a paper price only, because we still had a spot price. Okay, and the spot price was just supply and demand plus transactions between individuals or instant delivery.
Based on the physical silver.
Yeah, right. Based on the physical silver or gold.
Now it's too speculative for you. See,
it's all paper.
I know that.
All paper. Listen,
you are the counterculture. You are speaking against the winds of YouTube and all the big pundits and talking heads that say this is just the beginning. We're going to 100. We're going higher. Everything's breaking down now.
Well, why is it breaking down? Because why is nobody buying silver? Why are the refineries not buying silver? Why are dealers not buying silver? Why are the wholesalers paying so little for it? All of that.
Why?
Because it doesn't belong where it is.
Okay, so this is the confusing thing.
Listen,
I hear you.
There's people still every day on YouTube saying, "Oh, there's this great shortage of silver. Oh, there's so much more industrial use. Oh, you can't get silver."
The LBMA,
yeah, those fools. Yeah, that's right.
They need it. There is a shortage.
This is how they determine what the market is.
So you don't buy this LBMA shortage in the shipments?
I don't buy any of it. I don't buy any of it. If there's a shortage, why do I have so much in the backer that I can't walk through there?
And you can't bring to a refiner now, right?
That's exactly right, yeah.
You've been wanting to bring it. Yeah. You've been saying, Yankee, let's get that sterling out of here.
I bought another bin last night, and I didn't pay what I ordinarily would pay because the refineries aren't paying.
There was just a guy in here that dropped this box off. Oh, man, Tim. Forks, spoons.
Yep.
Are you going to buy that? If it's sterling?
He's a good friend of mine. Yes, if it's sterling, I'll buy it. I just buy it at a much lower price.
But nobody else is doing it. I'm telling you, dealers left and right aren't buying this stuff. They're not buying any alloyed silver. This is a common practice.
I don't spend a lot of money on myself.
You're doing it though. You're still buying this?
Spending money until I don't have any more.
You'll buy 90%, 80%.
Yes, I still buy that. But I looked at the wholesaler. They have their buy prices are so much lower than they used to be, and so I lower my prices. The market is suffering, and they're losing buyers, and they're putting a lot of people in a selling position where there's no place for me to get rid of it right now. That's the problem. So we're buying a lot of stuff, and we have no way of selling it.
Is that oh my God, I want one.
Well, if Cecil B. DeMills will give us an opportunity.
I honestly do.
Good. What did you say?
Called you Cecil B. DeMills.
Yeah. Well, it is pretty cool, Tim. I fixed it.
I watched the video where they said they were going to do it, and I was like, I got to get one.
We did it.
Listen, he's in our hometown.
We did it. We did it. I'm so proud of you, Tim. It's
here
awesome.
forever.
Are they selling well?
I don't know. They've got all these full trays down here.
I just
Yeah, but
filled
you don't
those
have that.
trays,
It's
wise
you.
guy. Yeah, they're selling well.
And how many do we have left?
We don't
Not
have a
many.
lot left. We're almost out, man. Actually, SD Bullion is selling out of them too. I was
Really?
told. Yeah, they are going,
the heck
dude. People
for?
want them.
What's wrong with
You're
those people?
famous. I send everybody to YouTube videos.
Oh, thank
I
you.
send people here too.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
So are people wise to be buying this stuff right now?
You mean the Yankee rounds?
No,
Yes.
silver,
Yeah.
silver or gold. All right. What do you think of Jamie Dimon? Do you respect him at all?
I do, because he usually tells the truth.
Okay, so he says that gold could easily reach 10,000.
Well, that's because it's a paper price. There's nothing behind it. It's thin air. Look where Bitcoin went when that's thin air.
All right. So Jamie also said this is the first time in his life, that it's semi-rational to have some gold. Semi-rational.
What he means is it's completely irrational.
No, he thinks
No,
it's
that's what he
important.
means.
No, he's
Listen,
never advocated
he's
for
in that
gold.
business. How can he say it's completely irrational for gold to be at this price, which is what he means? But they're in that business, so he can't turn his back on the trillions of dollars of clients' money that they're working with. He's not stupid, and what he's telling you is the truth. It's completely irrational.
Wow.
I mean, listen, you have these.
Wow.
I saw an interview with, I don't know, he was a Harvard MBA or some MBA,
Yeah.
who was buying ETFs like GLD, and now I own some gold. I mean, come on. You don't even own that piece of paper. It's crazy the way people think, but it's sheer ignorance. And I suppose if everybody had been around in 1980, they would be a lot more cautious. Going to Stamp Shop.
Oh, I fired him up. Yeah, it was a fun design to put together, and it's pretty awesome.
It's gorgeous.
You love them.
I do. I love them.
So you're in here to buy silver.
Yeah, but I'm not going to make him do it today. I'm just going to talk to him about it, and I'll come back tomorrow when he doesn't have a line.
Even at $54 an ounce?
It's not going to go down. It's going to
Say
keep
that
going
again?
up.
It's not going down. You disagree with Tim?
I think it's going to go up.
You think it's going up?
Tim thinks it's going down. That's usually what happens. I don't think we're in the.
I'm torn. I can see the logic behind this continuing up with some pauses and maybe some pullbacks, but he's looking for a big correction, a drop of like 20%.
I'm not sure he's going to see it this time.
You think it's going? So you think it's going higher?
Our money's going gold back and silver back.
You think they're going to back our currency with gold and silver?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Like a complete reset, new monetary system with gold and silver backing.
I do. I think it's coming. I think it's coming like a freight train.
Very familiar with those, and you will with some oddball brand.
So this is just the beginning of this bull market.
Realistically,
I think-
never have time during the day. Right
I don't know
now,
if I'm right. Tim knows more than me.
Well, Tim knows a lot, and he gets a lot of crap in the comments by people who say he doesn't know what he's talking about. The guy's been around a long time. He's seen a lot of this, right? And he's seen the change in the way the spot price was designed, the way it was created, and what has happened over the decades now to spot price. He doesn't see the big reset like I do.
You see it.
I see. Oh, absolutely. Our monetary system is toast. It is on fumes, and I think it's going to end.
It's nothing. It's paper. It's not even worth the paper it's printed on.
You're preaching. Yeah, I love it.
No, it really
I
isn't.
know it's true. Yes, yes. And
I said to my sister, stop stashing cash and buy silver.
This number on a cell phone.
Silver and gold, just go. Then I had one sister who's selling her gold. I'm like, are you nuts? Don't sell that right now.
you watch this channel?
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
I love it.
Oh, that's
Sounds
good.
good.
Thank
That's
you.
what I saw you talking about these.
All right, take care.
Just buy those silver nipples.
Sure did.
You're selling stuff, Tim. You're selling maples. You're selling silver. It's happening.
Yep,
Is it about even?
It
Buyers
is.
and sellers?
just about.
That's amazing.
I think I have $4,000. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, and is there a certain type of silver you're interested in?
We've had a nice little conversation about silver.
Help me out.
Yes, absolutely. Do you mind if I record what you get?
Yes, I don't mind at all. A mixture of rounds and
Coins?
these
Bars?
bars.
Yeah, are you excited about getting some silver?
I am so excited. I've been trying to get silver for weeks.
Really? And have you bought silver before much?
I have only online though.
Okay, so this is the first time in at Tim's?
Yes.
First timer, Tim.
Well, that's a very intelligent way to go.
He just called you intelligent.
Thank you. Yes.
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 Yes. You are smart to be getting into precious metals.
Hell yes.
Yes. And figuring out what you want, though, is a little harder than you expected, isn't it?
It is. I just was wanting to go get silver. Just change this into silver, but I'm not sure. A good mixture would be very, very helpful.
Yeah,
didn't show
lots
you-
and lots bars. That's the really
Bars.
nice
Do you have
thing.
a lot of bars?
I have a lot of bars. Yeah, I've actually had to sort them because I have 3 orders for at least 10 bars per order that I have to ship out, which means I have to take those flimsy post office boxes and rebuild them.
So conscientious
I put
about how
4
he
levels
ships.
on the bottom and putting that many bars in.
And they're heavy, right?
They are heavy.
Yeah.
Let me show you how heavy they
So I'm
are.
very excited.
You are. That is the thing about silver. It can get heavy when you get into stacking for real.
Stacking, yes. Yes. My little safe at home is getting heavy.
How about gold? Have you ever considered that? Or is you going to stick with silver?
I'm going to stick with silver only because you can get so much more silver than you can with gold.
Hey, Yank, do me a favor.
Sure. Yeah. What can I do?
Take the top green box
Yep.
and put that on the floor. It's not heavy. It has
Okay.
just a few coins in it.
All right.
And pull the top off that box.
Ooh.
Nice.
Nice. Well, that brought her over. What do you think of that? Well, those prospector bars are pretty cool.
Let's see.
You're like a kid in a candy shop here.
Oh, look at me. This is very cool, this one here. It's gorgeous. Are these diamonds in it?
You know, I wonder if they are. They probably are, but you know,
Little
little
chips.
diamonds like that, chips are not terribly expensive.
So I'll take these two. And can you just load me up with some rounds?
Sure.
Buffalo.
She's having an awful lot of fun here, Tim.
This is the gold and silver self-service marking place.
Self-service.
How much do I have left?
Okay.
You only
What
let
can
the-
I get with this?
Oh, I love the sunshine buffaloes. That's good. That's a. What is one are they? That's it.
Oh, you
Really
want-
nice. Look at the
Did you look
quality.
at them? Pop it open.
Look at the quality of these.
This.
That's their signature round.
Gorgeous.
Okay, do you know the difference now between a round and a coin?
No. Should I?
What you're holding right there is a tube of rounds.
Okay.
Made by a private mint. Sunshine Minting, right? They're not a sovereign country. United States Mint didn't make that, or Canadian Mint. It was done by a private company, right? That right there, that tube of maples, is a tube of coins.
From Canada.
Canada, right?
Okay.
So you've got a tube of coins and a tube of rounds.
All right. So I have coins, rounds,
Yep.
and these things.
Bars.
Bars.
We're going to educate you on silver stacking yet.
That's awesome. I'll
They
take
had
some
them
of these
mint.
because you're so cute.
You get a whole lot of those because they're not that expensive. Almost
They're not
like-
expensive.
How many people still calling me? Oh, I know who this is. Going to Stamp Shop. Well, this is the amazing thing is that people are selling a lot of the silver, and or bringing in gold and converting it to silver, or bringing silver and to convert to gold. They're using it as money, which is perfectly all right. We're converting the worthless currency we have into silver and gold.
Those are the smart people.
Those are smart people. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of people doing that today. Listen, Jack, I'd love to talk all night, but I'm really late in closing up, and I got a whole lot of people here. Thank you, Jack. He's been a customer of mine for 30 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And he used to come in once a week and buy a Kruger in. And he hasn't sold anything yet.
Good for him. Good for him. So we
Okay,
figured it
what
out.
do we
right?
decide for the excess there, the $785?
That stuff there?
These here?
Is that? Am I
see.
over?
I don't know. This is really valuable coin here.
Thank you so much for letting me pick out all the silver for you.
Thank you.
So come back, okay?
I will. All right. Most certainly.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you again.
See you again soon.
care.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Woo!
We still
You're
have
staying
customers here.
open late, aren't you, Tim?
Yeah. Happened
We got
3
more?
times this week.
3 times
Yeah.
you've been
That's why I don't get packages mailed.
Ah, Tim. Next.
You're doing the adding.
7 plus 585. 800.
No, he carries around
This
gold
is
in his
the
pocket all
original
the time.
packaging from Canada. And this is,
Oh,
of
Canada.
all these wildlife quarter ounces, this is like my favorite.
Which one is it?
It's got an orca.
Oh,
It goes this
an
way.
orca. Cool. Got an orca on
Orca?
that one. Yeah,
I think that's an orca.
Yeah.
It's a little fat for a
deal.
dolphin.
That's it. Stay right back there. You're done.
It's all yours.
Thank you.
They're buying tubes of eagles.
Yeah.
They're buying 5-ounce bars, Tim.
Well, that's because we've cornered the silver market. We're the modern version of the Hunt brothers.
Yeah. Is that what's going on? Or do we have another Hunt
Oh yeah, I'm trying to
Brothers
corner the
run?
market in silver.
So did you have to convince her or did she have to convince you?
No, I had to convince her.
me.
A lot of YouTube, a lot of hours on YouTube, getting information,
Yeah.
looking at several different people's perspectives, and then I made the choice. And she bought into it with seeing where it is today. You know,
I had to convince Mrs. Yankee. It took a little bit. It really did.
it's a shame we didn't do it somewhat sooner. But if you look at the graphs, we're not too far off. I mean, it's still a good time to get in. You know, from what I can tell.
Do you think a big pullback is going to happen, a correction, 10, 20, 25, 30% drop, or you think it's to the moon from here?
I wouldn't say to the moon, but I don't expect any real big pullback. I mean, there may be a slight one, but nothing too drastic. But not the only dealer that is baffled by these prices. You're not alone. Nope. And I'll tell you what, I'm baffled every time I go to the plumbing supply house because the prices just keep
Yeah,
going.
I've heard that from my friend the plumber.
Brass nipple 6 inches long is like $18 now. 3/4 brass
I think
nipple.
he told me about that. He was justifying all the plumbing he did in my house and how expensive it was.
Put in a boiler.
It's just crazy. It's scary.
But gold at this price, though, doesn't scare you.
You don't have a choice. You want to be in the game. You gotta, put out some money to
see
be
if
in the
I
game,
can.
and it may look cheap.
I'm gonna see if we can
This
do it
could
better
be,
than that.
this could be the cheap time, and look back and say, I'm glad I did it.
Silver's up over 80% on the year. Gold 60. Isn't that insane?
It is crazy. I've been a steady buyer of silver, so it's I like it. It's good. Yeah.
Thank you.
What else did you have for gold, Tim? We're looking. Did you have any of those
More
pretty,
gold.
Those pretty Swiss francs?
I have lots of those.
Do you?
Oh man,
Bring them out.
lots of those.
That's my favorite.
Swiss francs.
What? Well, go ahead.
Back up, hubby. He's dealing with me.
I got the key to the elbow drop.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
that's
Quarter
what he has,
ounce.
so.
That's nice.
How would you like a few Swiss francs?
Whoa.
Like a tube of 50 of them.
A tube.
No, I don't have that. No, I know what a
much would
tube's worth.
That's a little rich.
That's a little. Why do you want to keep it as a tube, or you want to take some out?
I've got more.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I haven't gotten into this, but that tube of those is so impressive. I might have to rethink it.
Mm.
Wow. Hey, what is this, Tim? Have you ever seen these before?
No, I have no idea. It's I think Sean may be right. That may be a baboon.
A
Could be.
baboon?
It could be.
Yeah, just look at the
Yeah,
nose.
now that
The
I looked
nose
at it, I was
is,
looking at
nose
it
is very
upside down
different.
earlier.
A 1 ounce. And pandas.
Okay, so I have the 4 francs and the 3 tubes and the 5 bars. Is that all?
That's it for now.
Is that it? That's pretty impressive.
Well, we did take a little bit of a ride, so we got to make it. And Tim didn't stay open for us, but he gutted it out, so we got to make it worth his while.
Oh, 8 o'clock.
83.20.
Wow.
There we go. Hey, see?
How far did you drive?
From Rhode Island.
Rhode Island.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not really like for the tax purposes like we
Right.
actually did when we first came to him, but he's so personable that we would rather do business with him. We have a good local coin guy, but he just rubs you somewhat the wrong way, and so
I get it.
if
I get
anybody's
it.
going to profit off of me buying metals, I'd rather be Tim than anybody in my area.
Yeah, when I was in college, I did collect coins. I didn't have any money, so I had to be careful what I bought. But I remember coming back to New Hampshire and not buying anything in Providence. You couldn't trust them. All the coin dealers I knew back then, they had long Italian names.
I'm not saying I can't trust the guy. I'm not saying he's not trustworthy, he's very informative, but he just has an arrogance about him that I don't.
That
care.
is very common. Unfortunately, a lot of them are curmudgeonly, grumpy. Wait a minute, I'm describing you too.